Now, with the passage of the new Parenting Act, many courts have been empowered to order that the parties in a divorce action, particularly those involving kids, custody, go to mediation. Now, a lot of people don't know what mediation is. There are mediators that are set up across the state whose job it is to get the parties together to explore whether or not the parties themselves can come up with an agreement as to how mom and dad are going to share in the raising of their kid. There are different ways that mediation is performed. Some attorneys will send their clients to mediation and essentially tell them to go make your own agreement and let me know when it's done. We don't do that here. At our law firm, Conway Pauly Johnson, we go with you to the mediation. You are not expected to know what a judge would think would be fair. I've seen many mediation agreements come back where the client was not accompanied by an attorney, and the agreements are just simply crazy in terms of what they require of a father or a mother before they're going to exercise their visitation. So we go with our clients to the mediation. We expect the other attorney representing the other party to also go with their client to the mediation, so we can sit down as a team and we can try to work out a plan that's going to effectively and in a way that's enforceable put together a forward-looking plan for how we're going to share the raising of the child. And if we can do that without having to go to trial, we save a lot of time, we save a lot of money, and things work out pretty well. It doesn't always happen. There are many situations where one side or the other just gets to a point where they can't give anymore. And when they can't give anymore and the parties are unable to reach an agreement, that's all fine too. It's not a failure. It just means then we're going to go to court. And as we prepare for trial, the attorneys will continue to try to find ways to reach an agreement. But what you will find is happening more and more is the courts prefer the parties try mediation first, and if mediation does not work to bring about an agreement, then we go about going to court, and the attorneys will continue to work on trying to come to an agreement. And that's what we do here.